Every creator hits this wall at some point. You've spent hours, sometimes days, on a video. The edit is clean, the pacing is right, the story lands. And then you go to add music, and suddenly you're scrolling through the same libraries you've scrolled through 100 times. The same 10 tracks that are already in every other video in your niche. You pick the least bad option, upload, and 2 days later, you get a copyright claim anyway. I was doing that for years. And honestly, I think most creators just accept it as part of the job. A few months ago, that changed for me.
The frost is brittle on the widow pane, a ghost of winter.
I want to show you the actual tool I've been using and walk you through the exact workflow. Because it's a lot simpler than I expected, and the results are genuinely different from anything else I've tried. Go to Mureka.ai. Sign up, it's free to start. Once you're in, you'll see 3 main creation modes across the top: Easy Mode, Custom Mode, and Soundtrack. Let's start with Easy Mode, because this is the one that removes every barrier to entry. Click Easy Mode. A conversational agent opens and starts asking you questions. What kind of song do you want? What mood? What's it for? What's the vibe? This isn't a form. It's a step-by-step walkthrough. Answer the prompts naturally. I tell it I want something cinematic and building, instrumental, for a travel video. Something that feels like discovery rather than action. It takes my description, figures out the arrangement, the structure, the emotional arc, and within a couple of minutes, a full track comes back. Listen to this. And I want you to pay attention to a specific thing, the way the track actually moves. It builds, it holds back, it opens up. There's a distinct hook, a bridge, a climax. That's not nothing. Most AI-generated music I've tested sounds like it was made by someone who listened to music but never actually felt it. This sounds like a real composition. That's because Mureka uses something called Musico-T, music chain of thought, which is their approach to understanding the full emotional arc of a track rather than just predicting note by note. The difference in output is audible. It ranked #1 for both vocals and instrumentation on the Artificial Analysis Model Leaderboard with V8, and V9 has pushed that further with better lyric control, improved mix quality, and more expressive vocals. Now let me show you Custom Mode, because this is where it gets powerful for creators with more specific needs. Click Custom Mode, and you'll see tabs for Reference, Remix, and Vocal. In the Reference tab, type a full prompt. I'm writing upbeat indie pop, female vocals, lyrics about starting fresh after a hard year, warm production, guitar forward with a modern feel. Set your vocal gender, give it a title if you want, and hit Create.
The frost is brittle on the window pane, the ghost of winter that forgot its name.
What comes back is a complete song. Vocals, lyrics, full production. Not a loop, not a backing track. A song, in whatever direction you described. Now look at the Remix tab. This one stopped me the first time I used it. You paste in a track, anything you've made on Mureka, and with one click it transforms the style completely. I took the cinematic instrumental I just generated and remixed it into a lo-fi hip-hop version.
The dust settles on the mantelpiece where the silver frames have turned gray.
Same emotional core, completely different production character. For creators who need to match different content formats, a calm study video versus an energetic highlight reel, this is how you build a whole music library from one idea. Let me show you the feature that I think is most underrated for video creators specifically. Click on Soundtrack at the top. You'll see an upload box. Drag in any video clip. I'm using a 90-second travel reel I shot last month. Mureka reads the video, the pacing, the visual energy, the cuts, and generates an original score that's built specifically for that footage, not matched from a library, generated for it. Hit generate and watch what happens.
The frost is brittle on the window pane, a ghost of winter that forgot its name. I watch the mercury slide down low while buried under.
The track it creates actually breathes with the video. The energy shifts where the cuts shift. The build lands where the visual story peaks. Play it against the original silent footage, and then play it with a random stock track. The difference in how the video feels is immediate and significant. For any creator scoring their own content, YouTube, short films, social clips, podcast intros, this is the workflow that's been missing. One upload, original BGM, done. I want to show you one more layer, Studio. If you're someone who wants more control after the initial generation, click into Studio. This is a multi-track workstation inside Mureka. You can see the individual stems, vocals, bass, drums, melody, and edit each one independently. Adjust the tempo, regenerate just one section without touching the rest. Extend the track in either direction. It's not a full DAW, but it's a professional-grade editing environment built specifically around AI-generated music, and it's getting more capable with every update. And if you're a producer who already works in Ableton, there's Mureka Co., which is their desktop agent that connects directly to your DAW. You describe what you want in plain English from your terminal, and it controls Ableton on your behalf, creating tracks, setting BPM, generating stems that land beat-aligned in your session. That's a different tier of workflow, but I wanted to mention it because it exists, and it's the first AI music tool I've seen that actually meets producers where they already work. On licensing, everything you generate on Mureka comes with a full commercial license. Download it, put it in your YouTube video, monetize it, use it for client work. No royalties, no third-party claims. The file is yours. That alone changes the math compared to every stock library I've used. Here's what I'd suggest as your starting point. Go to Soundtrack first. Upload the last video you made, let it generate a score, and just listen to whether it fits. That's the fastest way to see what the tool is actually capable of with zero learning curve. If you like what you hear, spend 20 minutes in custom mode building out a few tracks that match your channel's aesthetic. Within an hour, you'll have a music library that sounds like it was made for your content, because it was. Mureka.ai. Link in the description. Free to start. Go make something that's actually yours.